Namaste children, welcome to today's math class. We are discussing how many squares. In the previous class we discussed how to find area of irregular objects and comparing the areas of the objects. Now we are going to discuss about the triangles, page number 41. So here two children, Samina and Sadiq, are discussing about the triangles. Both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area, said by Samina. Observe here we have a rectangle. In this rectangle we have two triangles are there. One it is in the blue color, the other one is in the red color. Both are big rectangles, and she said that they have same area. But Sadiq said that, but these look very different. Sadiq, what he observed, these triangles, though the shapes are same, but they are looking very different. Now, the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. The blue triangle is, observe this, blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. How can you say that? See, the diagonal is drawn there. The diagonal will divide the rectangle into two congruent triangles. That's why each triangle will have the same area, half of the area of the rectangle. Yes, the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Area of big rectangle is 20 square centimeters. So the area of the blue rectangle is how much? It is dash square centimeters. Half of 20 will be 10 square centimeters. And what about the red triangle? Red triangle also will have the same area, that is 10 square centimeters. Why it is 10 square centimeters? Because the two triangles have the same area. The blue triangle and red triangle, they have the same area. That is the reason why the blue triangle and red triangle will have the same area, 10 square centimeters. Yes, how do you find the area of the blue triangle or the red triangle? By counting the number of complete squares, number of more than half-filled squares, number of exactly half-filled squares. If you observe this figure which is there with the blue color, a triangle, blue color triangle in this. Yes, if you see here, this is less than half rectangle and this is more than half rectangle 1, more than half. First you completely filled rectangles. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 rectangles are there, 6 squares are there which are completely filled. There are 6 squares are there which are completely filled. Therefore, the 6 squares area will be 6 square centimeters. Now you see, this is one which is more than half filled, and this is one which is more than half filled, and this is also one more than half filled, and if you see this is also more than half filled is there. So 4 squares are there which are more than half filled. Therefore, area of each more than half filled square is 1 square centimeter. 4 squares means 4 square centimeter. Now together it is 6 plus 4, 10 square centimeters is the area of blue rectangle. Similarly, the area of red rectangle is also 10 square centimeters. Now, yes. Oh, in it there are two halves of two different rectangles. Sadiq said that what it is, there are two halves of two different rectangles. Now we observe this picture. Yes, we have a big rectangle. In this big rectangle it is divided into two parts, and two parts are also two rectangles. One is shaded with what it is, orange color, the other one is shaded with green color. So orange colored rectangle and the green colored rectangle. Observe the figure. Now in this big rectangle, one triangle is there which is marked with the red color. But this triangle is half. This triangle contains two more triangles. One is in orange color, the other one is in the what it is, green color. Now what is the area of this rectangle, children? Yes, it is 20 square centimeters. How you know? There are 20 squares are there. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 20 square centimeters. Now if you find the area of two rectangles Sadiq is talking about. What is the area of red triangle? Explain. So now you find the area of two rectangles. Yes, this is what? Orange color rectangle. How many squares are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares are there. Therefore, area of orange square will be how much it is? Area of orange square will be, it will be 12 square centimeters. Then what about green color rectangle? Yes, if you count, we have 8 square centimeters are there. Its area is 8 square centimeters. 8 square centimeters. What is that 8 square centimeters? Area of the green rectangle. Now what is the area of the red triangle? Yes, this red triangle is having some part in the green rectangle and some part in the orange rectangle. This is orange rectangle part. Now what is the area of the orange rectangle, orange part? It is half of the area of orange rectangle. Area of orange rectangle is 12 square centimeters. Therefore area of this triangle portion is 6 square. Half of 12 it is 6 square centimeters. Now in the green also we have half it is there in the red triangle. Area of this green rectangle is 8 square centimeters. Therefore area of this green portion will be 4 square centimeters. Now together it is 6 plus 4, 10. 10 square centimeters is the area of red rectangle. Here this is area of this rectangle is 10 square centimeters, which is again half of the rectangle. Whereas in the first case we have seen, here we got two rectangles. Their area is also same 10 square centimeters. You see this red rectangle only, here also we have that same red rectangles are there, and their area is 20 square centimeters. Is it clear, children? Next, page number 42. Yes, you are right. And you know that you can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeters in this rectangle. Try drawing them. So we can also make the triangles which are having 10 square centimeters in this rectangle. Try drawing them. Help Sadiq in finding some more such triangles. Draw at least 5 more. Yes, we can draw like this. You see, start from here, from this portion, and yes, you can, yes, till here you can draw. And what it is, from here to this edge you can draw. We'll get one triangle. We'll get one triangle, and similarly we can draw to each point one triangle. We can draw from here, yes, to here, and to this corner, and similarly to here we can draw one triangle like this. Yes, sorry, like this we will draw. Like this we can draw many. Still to this point also we can draw one triangle, and to this point also we can draw one triangle. Like this we can draw many triangles whose area will be, it is 10 square centimeters. Now complete the shape. Suruchi drew two sides of a shape. She asked Asif to complete the shape with two more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeters. Yes, Suruchi drew two sides of the shape, and you should complete the shape that is with two more sides so that its area should be 10 square centimeters. Yes, Asif has done this. So these are the two sides which are drawn by Suruchi, and these are the two sides which are drawn by Asif. And you see this shape. What is the area? Yes, this green, it is having green portion and it is yellow portion. Find the green portion area. Green portion, it is there in the triangle, this triangle. So it is half of the area of the triangle. And this that is area of this triangle, it is 8 square centimeters. So half of that will be 4. So area of green triangle, it is 4 square centimeters. How much it is? 4 square centimeter. Why? Because it is half of the area of the triangle. Now you see this yellow portion. Yellow portion is also there in this triangle, in this rectangle. So in this rectangle, and now if you find area of this rectangle, it will be what? 12 square centimeters. Half of that will give you yellow portion, so that will be half of 12, it is 6. Now 6 plus 4, it is 10 square centimeters. Like this we can find, or even you can find by counting the completely filled squares, more than completely half filled squares, less than completely half filled squares, exactly half filled half filled squares. You see, more than exactly filled squares, 1, it is 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. There are 5 squares are there which are completely filled, and now you find more than half filled, how many squares are there? Yes, this is 1, and it is 2, and this is 3. 3 squares are there which are more than half filled. So 5 plus 3, it is 8 square centimeters. Now you find exactly half filled. This is 1 exactly half filled, and it is 1 exactly half filled. It is 1 exactly half filled, and it is also 1 exactly half filled. So 4 squares are there which are exactly half filled. Therefore their area will be 4 into half will give you, it is 2 square centimeters. So 2 square centimeters plus 8 square centimeters will give you 10 square centimeters. So he completed his shape in this way. Now how did you do this? Suruchi is asking, how did you do this? Oh, that's easy. If you look at the green area, it is 4 square centimeters. Below it is the yellow area of 6 square centimeters. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeters. How it is possible? So she is asking, oh, it is very easy. You see, the green portion is having 4 square centimeter area, and the yellow portion is having 6 square centimeters. Now together it is the area of the my shape, it is 6 plus 4, it is 10 square centimeters. Is he correct? Discuss. Yes, Asif is correct. Why? Just now I have explained. We found area of his shape as 10 square centimeters by counting the number of squares which are completely filled, and which are more than half filled, and which are less than, that is exactly half filled. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeters and the yellow area is 6 square centimeters. Yes, how it is 4 square centimeters? Because it is containing 2 completely filled squares, therefore its area is 2 square centimeters, and 4 half filled squares are there. 4 half filled squares in this green area. So each 2 half filled squares will give you 1 square centimeter. So 4 half filled squares will give you, it is 2 square centimeters. 2 plus 2, 4 square centimeters. Now in the green area, green portion also, we have here 3 completely filled squares are there, and 3 more than half filled squares are there. So 3 plus 3, it is 6. Therefore its area is 6 square centimeters. Now page number 43. Oh, I thought of doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeters. So here Suruchi, she tried in the other way. She thought of this way of that filling that. She tried in this way, and she found that in this case also the area is same 10 square centimeters. Like this we can draw many ways also. Is Suruchi correct? How much is the blue area? Explain. Yes, Suruchi is correct, and the blue area will be, it is 6 square centimeters. How it is 6 square centimeters? You see here, there are 2 squares are there which are completely filled. So its area is 2 square centimeters, and more than half filled squares 4 are there, so its area will be 4 square centimeters. The rest of the squares are less than half filled. Therefore 2 plus 4, it is 6. Hence its area is 6 square centimeters. Can you think of some other ways of completing this shape? Yes. Try some other ways yourself. Now ask your friends at home to solve these. Every time guests come home, I ask them to do this. But why do they run away? Because they might not know the answers. That's why they are moving away. Yes, we can draw. Still we can complete this with the different shapes so that its area will be same. Yes, here I have drawn some of the shapes where we find the same area. Like this also you can draw, and you try in your classwork. Now practice time. Yes, try this. This is one of the sides of a shape. So you are given one side. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeters. You are given one square. This is only one side is given, and by drawing these two sides we will get what? One triangle. And if you find its area will be what? 4 square centimeters. You see, this is two completely filled squares are there, and 1 2 3 4. We find these four squares exactly half filled will be there. So 4 half filled squares will give you 2 square centimeters. Therefore 2 plus 2 it is 4 square centimeters. Like this we can complete the shape whose area is 4 square centimeters. Now see here, second question. Two sides of a shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 square centimeters. Yes, practice time, page number 43. The second question, what is that? It is here, 2 sides of the shape is drawn. In this rectangle, 2 sides of the shape is drawn. Draw 2 more sides whose area should be less than 2 square centimeters. Draw 2 more sides. Yes, if I draw these are the 2 sides now, and we got a shape. What is the area of the shape? Yes, if you observe, all 4 squares are there which are exactly half filled. So one half filled square is half square centimeter. 2 half filled squares will give us 1 square centimeter. Therefore 4 half filled squares will give us what? 2 square centimeters. Now area of this shape is how much? 2 square centimeters. But what is our question? The area should be less than 2 square centimeters. So what to do? Yes, draw these 2 sides little up. Draw these 2 sides little up instead of to this point like this. Yes. So by drawing those 2 sides little up so that we can find the area of the shape is less than 2 centimeters, 2 square centimeters. You see now, these are the 2 sides we have drawn. Now what is the area of the shape? As these 2 squares are less than half filled, so we will ignore. Hence area of the shape is 1 square centimeter, which is less than 2 square centimeters. If I draw to here, to till here, like this if I draw, then what is this area? It is more than 2 square centimeters. Do you agree on that? Yes, it is more than 2 square centimeters. If I draw to here, yes. Therefore, which is the correct shape? It is this one which I have drawn here. It will be the correct shape. Like this, we can draw the shape whose area is less than 2 square centimeters. Now move to the page number 44. There we have one more question. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeters. This is a rectangle whose area is 20 square centimeters. Yes, you see this? This is a rectangle whose area is 20 square centimeters. Now question A. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal triangles. What is the area of each of the triangles? So what to do here? One rectangle is given whose area is 20 square centimeters. And question A, draw one straight line so that this rectangle is divided into 2 triangles with equal area. With equal area. Yes. How to draw to get a triangle? Yes. Draw its diagonal. Diagonally you draw a straight line like this. A straight line if you draw. Yes, if you draw a straight line, you will get what? Yes. Like this, you draw a straight line, we will get 2 triangles whose area is equal. Now, what is the area of each equal triangle? Area of each triangle. Each triangle is how much? Half of 10 square centimeters. Half of 20 square centimeters. That is 10 square centimeter. 10 square centimeter. Like this we'll draw and we'll find its area. Now question B is there. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? Now draw us one straight line so that this rectangle is divided into two small rectangles with equal area. Then what is the area of each rectangle? Yes, we can do this in two ways. This is by drawing horizontally this straight line. So now this rectangle, the big rectangle is divided into two small rectangles. Yes, this is one rectangle and this is the other rectangle. Its area is 10 square centimeters. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares are completely filled. Therefore, its area is 10 square centimeters. This is one way we can draw horizontally, or by drawing vertically also we will find its area. Now this is by drawing a vertical line here. Yes, this is a vertical line, and this will give you what? One rectangle with the area 10 square centimeters, and this is another rectangle with the area 10 square centimeters. So this we can do in two ways, horizontally and vertically. Area of each small rectangle. Each small rectangle. Area of each small rectangle is 10 square centimeters. 10 square centimeters. Now question C. What it is? Draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Draw two straight lines to divide this rectangle into two triangles and one rectangle. Yes, draw one vertical line. So now this rectangle is divided into, this is one rectangle whose area is how much, children? Yes, it is 10 square centimeters. And the remaining part of this rectangle you divide into triangles by drawing the horizontal, that is vertical. Yes, like this line if you draw, this is diagonal line, diagonal. If you draw its diagonal, then we find two triangles. So this is one triangle and this is the other triangle, two triangles. Now what is the area of the small triangle? Half of this small rectangle. Area of a small rectangle is 10 square centimeters. Therefore, area of each small triangle will be half of that rectangle, which is 5 square centimeters. Area of small triangle is equals to 5 square centimeters. It is 5 square centimeters. Now, what is the area of the rectangle? Now, what is the area of this rectangle? It is 10 square centimeters. Area of small rectangle. Area of small rectangle. It is how much? 10 square centimeters. 10 square centimeters. Now, what is the area of each small triangle? It is 5 square centimeters. Like this, we will draw the lines and thereby we can find the different shapes having the same area, equal area. Is it clear, children? Thank you very much.